Hello and welcome to ProEdge Strategies, your go-to resource for professional growth and development in the corporate world. Are you ready to take charge of your career trajectory and achieve your full potential? Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of strategic planning for career growth, offering you a comprehensive roadmap to success. Understanding the importance of strategic planning. Strategic planning isn't just a buzzword. It's a fundamental process that can significantly impact your career trajectory. By strategically mapping out your goals and actions, you pave the way for sustainable growth and advancement. The strategic planning process. Let's demystify the strategic planning process together. From defining your vision and mission to conducting a SWOT analysis and setting SMART goals, we'll walk you through each crucial step, crafting your personal strategic plan. Now, it's time to apply these principles to your career journey. Learn how to tailor the strategic planning process to your personal goals and aspirations, ensuring alignment with your values and ambitions. Aligning personal and organizational strategies. Successful professionals understand the importance of aligning personal ambitions with organizational objectives. Discover how to navigate this synergy seamlessly, maximizing opportunities for growth and impact. Overcoming challenges and staying agile. In the fast-paced corporate landscape, agility is key. Learn how to overcome common challenges in strategic planning and adapt your approach as needed, ensuring resilience and continued progress. Today, we've explored the transformative power of strategic planning in shaping your career trajectory. By embracing this process and applying its principles diligently, you empower yourself to reach new heights of success and fulfillment. Don't let another opportunity pass you by. Start crafting your strategic plan today and unlock the endless possibilities that await you. Remember, your future is in your hands. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward professional excellence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and tips. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.